If a current of 3 amperes flowing in the primary coil is reduced to 0 in 0.01 seconds, the induced EMF in the secondary coil is 15,000 volts. The mutual inductance between the coils is. Now here what information is being given, that I is equal to 3 amperes. So I1 is 3 amperes, I2 is 0 ampere, and time delta t is being provided 0.001, which will be 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, right? The induced EMF in the secondary coil. So this all information is for primary coil, right? Now they are asking about secondary coil. So for secondary coil, flux phi2 will be proportional to the I1, right? This I1 is the current in primary loop or primary coil, right? So it's better if I write it I initial 1 and I final 1, right? So phi 2 will be is equal to m I1. Perfect. And now we need to find out the value of mutual inductance. That means d phi 2 by dt will be is equal to d by dt into m I1, because m will be constant, so this will be d I1 upon dt, or else I can also write delta phi 2 by delta t will be is equal to m delta I1 by delta t, and we know that this is going to give the EMF in secondary coil. So E2 is coming out to be m into delta I1 by delta t only. Okay, so now we need to put the values. So for secondary coil E2, EMF is 15,000 volts, right? That means I can write 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 volts. If you put the values in equation number 1, so put the values in equation 1. So we get 15, that means 1.4 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to m, the value of delta I, which is I final minus I initial. So because I am talking about magnitude, so take the mod. So I final is 0, I initial was 3, divide by delta t, which is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So from there m will be is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 3, correct? So this will become 0.5. This 4 powers will be cancelled out, so this will become 5 Henry. So the value of m will be 5 Henry. So mutual inductance is going to be 5. Which option is the right choice? So option number 2 should give us right choice.